Okay, today's math lesson, lesson 7 on volume, is about word problems that involve volume and rectangular prisms. So we're going to do number 3 from their homework. Ren wants to build a box to organize her scrapbook supplies. She has a stencil set that is 12 inches wide. So I'm going to draw that. The kids have been instructed to draw these out and label them so they have a visual. So I'm going to draw a rectangular prism, and I know that it's 12 inches wide. So how deep it is or how wide it is 12. I also know that the supply box must be no taller than 2 feet. So the height must be 2 feet. So now we know the height, and now we know the width. So we know the height, 2. We know the width, 12. But we do not know the length, and we know that the total volume is 72 feet cubed. So using the formula of volume equals length times width times height, we know that we must do 12 times 2, which is 24, times whatever the length is going to be, and we know that the whole volume is 72 feet cubed. So we must fill in the blank. We can use our multiplication skills. We can use our long division skills where we do this. But any way you figure it out, you know that the answer is going to be 3. So the length of this is going to be 3 feet. So that when you figure out the volume, 12 times 3 times 2, you know, is 72. So that's how we figure out one way we can build this toy box. So the volume is 72. Oh, and by the way, I've been saying feet. I should be saying inches. My apologies. These should be inches, not feet. You must make sure you have the proper label. Okay, so that's one way to build a box. I also told the students, if you notice here, these rectangular prisms that they draw don't have to be to scale. Meaning we can see here that this 12 is shorter than this 3, but they can do their best with their drawings and their labeling. As long as they have the height, the length, and the width labeled, they're fine.